mapagpalang araw sa ating lahat. I remember standing before all of you as mayor for the very first time in 2019. From day one, we made the bold choice to veer away from traditional forms of governments. Many doubted if change was even possible, telling us that reforms would fail in a system so used to the familiar. But we proved them wrong. For you today, ready to face this next chapter, I hold firm to the belief that true leadership is never about one person alone. Tungkol ito sa ating lahat at sa paghakbang natin ng kapit-bisig tungo sa mas mabuting bukas. Nagsimula tayo, isa sa pinakamalaking hamon ang pagbawi ng tiwala ng tao sa pamahalaan. Naging misyon natin ang patunayan na kaya nating baguhin ito sa pamamagitan ng mas bukas, mas tapat, mas makataong pamamahala. Quezon City has now become the city that everyone wants to work with because they see our integrity, our results, and our commitment to real progress. Gaining the people's trust opened even more doors for us, allowing us to build stronger partnerships with the private sector, civil society, and the national government. Our collaborations built on trust and respect have helped fuel our city's growth, and they will remain our strongest foundation as we push even further in the next 3 years. To my beloved Q citizens, makakaasa kayo na maninindigan ako kasama ninyo, laging pakikinggan ang inyong boses at ipaglalaban ang inyong mga pangarap. Buong tapang sa bawat desisyon, buong kababaang loob sa bawat tagumpay, at buo ang determinasyon sa bawat hamon na ating haharapin. Let's make these the best 3 years for our beloved city. Together, we will build a Quezon City that is not only stronger and more progressive, a Quezon City that proves that no challenge is impossible and no dream is too far to reach. You citizens, kayo po ang aking inspirasyon. It is the greatest honor ever given by God to me to serve you. Hindi ko sasayangin ang pagkakataong patuloy na makapaglingkod sa inyo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong tiwala, suporta at pagmamahal. Mabuhay ang ating mahal na lungsod at mabuhay tayong lahat.